Hello, and welcome to day 3 of Module 2, Wednesday, September 30th. Remember, today is Wednesday, so that means it is an async day, and we will not be meeting together on Zoom as a whole class. I do have a few announcements before I tell you what to do for today. So first you're going to watch the video, and here are the announcements. So in the morning from 10 to 11:30, there will be a session for parents about positive parenting. And it will just talk about tools to help you during the pandemic with education and keeping your children motivated. Claudia and Vanessa will be facilitating. It's from 10 to 11:30. I know some of you might be at work, but if you are available, you should check it out. Here's the meeting ID and the passcode. In the afternoon from 5 to 6, there will be a workshop with Legal Aid Society for unemployment insurance. So they will be able to help you and answer any questions you have about unemployment. It is from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the afternoon. The session will be in English and Spanish. Here are the different ways to join by Zoom. You can click the link here. You can join by the meeting ID. You can also join by phone. All right, and this is about unemployment insurance. And remember, on Wednesdays, I have office hours. So I will be doing it a little differently today. So from 7 to 8, I will be available if you have any questions or you need clarifications. I will also be giving a small lesson on main idea because a lot of people wanted more exercises and needed a little bit more support with how to find the main idea. Or if you just want to come and practice speaking with your classmates, there's that option also. So from 7 to 8 in our regular Zoom meeting ID and password. All right, let's see what we have to do for today. In our async folder, you have your My English Lab MEL practice. So you click here and follow the steps. All right, if you're having any trouble with MEL, please let me know. All right, I will be super, super glad to help you. So that is the first activity. Second activity is different from what we're used to. So please make sure you listen to all of my steps before you begin. So you will be doing a Google Doc. The first thing you need to do before you even click on the assignment, you need to sign into your Carlos Rosario email. Okay, sign into your Carlos Rosario email. After you sign into your Carlos Rosario email, you go back to Schoology and you click on the assignment. Make sure to read the directions before you actually open the assignment. So you're going to get a paragraph that has 6 fragments, and you will identify the 6 fragments by highlighting like this. All right, and when you're done, you click submit. So this is how you access the document. You click My Document. And if this is your first time, it will not show up like this. It will show up, will ask you to connect. You click connect and then you select your Carlos Rosario email. But since Vanyola has used this before, it opens automatically. All right. So if you're having trouble with the document opening up, just let me know. So what you do here is you read the paragraph and you select a sentence or fragment in the paragraph. This is just an example. This is the one I am doing for you is not a fragment. So how to highlight. So you will highlight the sentence or the fragment, right? You'll highlight the group of words. To highlight, you click and then you move your finger across the mouse pad. If that is a little difficult for you, just click next to the first letter, hold the shift key and the right arrow key on your keyboard. After you have selected the one you would like to highlight, you go to the highlighter next to the letter A. it says highlight color, and you choose yellow, green, light blue, or pink. Any one of these bright colors that we can still see the words. When you are finished, you click Submit Assignment. All right, you click Submit Assignment when you are finished. If you're having any trouble, please let me know. If you open this up and you don't see a document, you see this right here where it says can't see your document, click here. So you click here and it might ask you to connect. So you click connect and you click your Carlos Rosario email. You click allow and your document will appear. Okay, so that's it for async for today. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. I will be available from 7 to 8 p.m. for questions, conversation, and a short lesson on main idea. All right, good luck.